Looking for the perfect car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra? In this video, we're checking out 5 of the best MagSafe style car mounts to consider in 2026. Whether you want a strong magnetic hold, easy one-handed access, wireless charging, or a mount that works well with your foldable phone, we'll look at the key features that matter most. So, let's get started and find the right car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Number 5. The OHLPRO MagSafe car mount charger serves as a practical hands-free navigation and powering solution designed to keep modern iPhones, including the iPhone 12 through 17 series, securely mounted and charged while driving. Built around a premium aluminum alloy shell, its overall construction quality easily outperforms standard plastic alternatives, offering a sleek, durable metallic finish that blends seamlessly into modern car interiors while enhancing structural integrity. Key features include 15W fast wireless charging, strong integrated N52 magnets, and a 360-degree swivel ball joint that lets users toggle between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. Its unique design highlights include dual mounting flexibility, equipped with a heavy-duty 3M adhesive base for dashboard mounting, as well as a sturdy air vent clip. In real-life driving scenarios, the mount delivers exceptional stability, whether navigating sharp turns, sudden stops, or uneven potholed roads. The magnetic hold keeps heavy devices like an iPhone Pro Max firmly locked in place without slipping or dropping signal. One-handed operation is intuitively simple, allowing drivers to snap their phone on or off in a fraction of a second, though long road trips with non-stop GPS usage can cause the aluminum body to feel moderately warm to the touch. Compared to prominent competitors like the ESR Halo Lock or Anker MagGo mounts, the OHLPRO offers outstanding value for money, whereas brand-name alternatives frequently charge double for similar 15W wireless output and predominantly plastic builds. OHLPRO delivers high-end metallic durability and equivalent charging performance at a significantly more affordable price point. Overall, this mount is ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and frequent travelers who require reliable hands-free access and fast top-ups on the go. I thoroughly recommend the OHLPRO MagSafe car charger as a robust, cost-effective, and highly functional accessory for any MagSafe-enabled iPhone owner. OHLPRO Magnetic Wireless Car Charger Review. This video demonstrates a hands-on review and real-world vehicle installation of the OHLPRO MagSafe car charger to show how it holds up on the road. Number 4. The 4 MagSafe Car Mount Charger. 15W Faster Charging Wireless Car Charger 360 degrees adjustable. Magnetic phone holders for your car, for iPhone and Android, is engineered to provide an ultra-secure, hands-free navigation and fast power solution for drivers. Its standout key features center on industrial-grade mounting technology, combining a dual-locking vacuum pressure suction cup capable of holding over 105 pounds with an exceptionally strong N56 magnetic array, delivering 3,800 GOFs of holding force. Built with premium aluminum alloy hardware and a heat-resistant TPU suction cup, designed to withstand extreme cabin climates, ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the overall build quality and structural integrity easily surpass standard plastic alternatives. A unique design highlight is its 360-degree adjustable 3-axis metal arm, which folds, tilts, and rotates to offer completely customizable viewing angles without blocking the dashboard, windshield, or air vents. In real-life driving scenarios, performance is outstanding. Whether navigating severe potholes, sharp high-speed turns, or off-road gravel tracks, heavy devices like the iPhone 17 Pro Max remain firmly glued in place, while consistently receiving efficient 15 watts fast wireless charging. Ease of use is remarkable thanks to intuitive one-handed magnetic snap alignment, while non-MagSafe devices or Android phones achieve the same seamless docking using the included stick-on metal rings. Compared to market competitors such as the ESR Cryo Boost or Belkin MagSafe mounts, which often depend on basic vent hooks or weaker adhesive bases at a significantly higher cost, this unit provides far superior holding strength, multi-surface mounting versatility, and superior metallic construction. Considering its advanced suction engineering and rock-solid stability, it delivers exceptional value for money relative to mainstream car accessories. Overall, rideshare drivers, delivery professionals, long-distance road trippers, and daily commuters who demand uncompromising phone security will benefit the most from this product. I wholeheartedly recommend this MagSafe car mount charger as a durable, high-performing, and indispensable driving companion for any smartphone owner. Number 3. The military-grade VANMASS for MagSafe car mount serves as an exceptionally sturdy, non-charging hands-free holder designed to keep modern iPhones, 12 through 17 Pro Max, and Android devices rock steady across any vehicle surface. Built with high-grade aviation aluminum alloy in its core structural frame, its construction quality feels remarkably premium and far avoids the flimsy, brittle feel of all plastic mounts. Its key features center around certified military-grade shock-proof performance, featuring a powerful 20-dux N52 neodymium magnetic ring matrix, capable of holding up to 12 iPhone Pro Max units, a widened 2.95-inch suction cup engineered for high heat and cold tolerance, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, and a newly extended steel vent hook that locks tightly without sagging. A unique design aspect is its versatile 3-in-1 mounting adaptability, combined with a 270-degree tilting, 4.92 to 8.15-inch telescopic aluminum arm that allows drivers to smoothly rotate the screen 360 degrees toward the passenger side. In real-life scenarios, performance is rock solid, whether negotiating harsh potholes, high-speed highway corners, or off-road gravel trails. Heavy smartphones remain locked in place without screen vibration or sliding. Ease of use is top-notch with 1-second magnetic docking, and Android or non-MagSafe phone users can simply apply the included precision alignment metal rings to achieve the same instant grip. Compared to prominent competitors like the Belkin Car Vent Mount Pro, which relies solely on basic air vent clips and fixed arm placement, VANMASS offers vastly superior multi-surface mounting flexibility, dash, windshield, vent, or screen backs, and an extendable heavy-duty metallic body. Delivering long-term reliability and rugged build materials, it offers exceptional value for money for drivers who prioritize holding security over built-in wireless charging. Overall, this product is ideal for daily commuters, long-haul truck drivers, rideshare operators, and off-road travelers who require an unbreakable, highly adjustable phone cradle. I enthusiastically recommend this VANMASS car mount as a heavy-duty, highly dependable mounting solution for any vehicle setup. Number 2. The specifically engineered to provide an automated high-speed power and mounting solution for wide-format foldable smartphones and large flagship devices. Designed with dual wireless charging coils, this mount easily accommodates the unique internal alignment of folded and fully unfolded devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series and Google Pixel Fold models, as well as traditional slab smartphones. Its defining key features include smart auto-sensor motorized clamping arms that automatically detect your phone to lock it securely in place, paired with a stylish LED ambient light ring that offers easy visual guidance during nighttime driving. Constructed from heat-dissipating, high-grade ABS polymer with thick, anti-slip silicone padding lining the side clamps, the overall build quality feels remarkably sturdy and protects expensive screens from scratches or mechanical wear. Ease of use is exceptional. Simply resting the phone onto the base triggers automatic motorized clamping, while quick-release touch controls allow effortless one-handed device removal. An integrated supercapacitor ensures you can still open the clamps even after turning off the car ignition. In real-life driving scenarios, the mount performs admirably, maintaining 15-watt fast wireless charging efficiency, while keeping heavy, fully open foldable displays completely stable over harsh speed bumps, tight corners, and unpaved roads without sagging or vibrating. Compared to official alternatives like the Samsung wireless car charger, which tops out at a slower 9W charging limit and lacks built-in ambient alignment lighting, this mount delivers faster charging throughput, broader dual-coil coverage for bulky cases, and superior night usability. Offering premium automated features at a competitive price point, it provides outstanding value for money. Overall, daily commuters, long-distance road trippers, and rideshare drivers who rely heavily on unfolded dual-screen navigation will benefit immensely from this mount. I enthusiastically recommend it as a practical, high-performing, and futuristic car accessory for any foldable phone user. Number 1. The Belkin MagSafe-Compatible Magnetic Wireless Car Charger 10W is designed to deliver a streamlined, hands-free mounting and power solution for modern MagSafe-enabled smartphones, including the iPhone 12 through 17 series, as well as compatible Android devices like the Pixel 10. Engineered specifically as a dedicated air vent mount, its key features center around precise magnetic alignment, up to 10 watts fast wireless charging output, and seamless 360-degree rotation that lets drivers alternate between portrait music control and landscape GPS navigation without interrupting the charge. Crafted with high-grade, heat-dissipating housing, soft-touch silicone padding, and a sturdy vent clip, the overall build quality feels remarkably polished and durable, easily reflecting Belkin's reputation for premium manufacturing. A unique design highlight is its complete out-of-the-box functional setup, as it comes bundled with a 3.9-foot detachable USB-C cable and a dedicated 20-watt USB-C power delivery 3.0 car power adapter, sparing consumers the extra expense of buying a separate high-output car plug. In real-life driving scenarios, performance is dependable. The magnetic ring locks phones tightly in place through standard city commutes and highway cruising, while maintaining steady wireless charging even with official protective cases attached. Ease of use is exceptional, enabling effortless one-handed snap-on docking and removal in a fraction of a second. Compared to market competitors such as the ESR Halo Lock or Anker Mag Go car mounts, which frequently feature higher 15-watt peak output rates at comparable price tags, the Belkin unit trades a small amount of raw charging speed for proven thermal management, an included 20-watt PD car adapter, and Belkin's robust 2-year warranty, accompanied by a $2,500 connected equipment warranty. Taking into account its included accessories, safety certifications, and pristine design, it offers solid value for money within the mid to high-tier accessory market. Overall, brand-conscious daily commuters, business travelers, and safety-focused drivers who want a turnkey, highly reliable vent mount will benefit most from this setup. I recommend the Belkin 10W magnetic car charger as a safe, stylish, and thoroughly dependable driving companion. So, those were 5 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra MagSafe car mounts worth checking out in 2026. The best choice really depends on what you need: strong magnetic support, fast charging, flexible positioning, or a simple and affordable design. Before buying, make sure the mount is compatible with your phone case and can safely support the Fold 8 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite car mount in the comments.